Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a headband wig, and this is the reason why I have my hair cornrow like this, just to get prepared for the wig. Before I do anything else, I'm going to go ahead and lay my edges using this edge control from Edge Effect. Every time I do my headband wigs, I like to leave my edges out and lay them down some. I mean, you really don't have to do this. It's definitely a personal choice because you could wear the headband wig without leaving out any of your edges and it will still look good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a stocking cap on, and this also is not really necessary. For some reason I just like doing it. If you ask me, I think it's so much easier doing the wig without the stocking cap, but for me I feel like it holds everything together. You notice how I push my natural hair at the back underneath it, so I just like to hold everything in before I put the wig on. The hair I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company called AngieQueen. This is my first time working with them, so definitely stay tuned to the end of the video to get my honest feedback, my honest opinion about the wig. With the wig they sent me this mustard color headband. They also sent me this one with a bunch of different colors on it: green, blue, white, pink, orange, I don't know, all those colors. And this is the wig that I'm gonna be reviewing today. So as usual, it does have a clip in the top, also one in the back, and then it has two at the sides. And of course it has the straps on it because it's definitely a headband wig, and we're gonna need these velcro straps to hold it on. It's a natural black straight wig and it's 26 inches. All the other information, I'll link them in the description box below, so definitely check that out. Now without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on so you guys can see what it looks like on me. To secure the wig on my head, I'm going to be using the clip in the top, and I'm also going to be using the one in the back. As for the clips in the sides, I usually don't use those. As you can see, I pinned the entire hair up, and this is to get it out my way so I could, secure the strap in the back also, so that you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. When I'm securing the wig in the back, I usually secure the velcro strap first, and then I grab the clip on the back of the wig and pull it and tuck it right under that velcro strap, and that will help me to hide the strap of the wig much easier. Now all I gotta do is do a little bit of adjustment here and there on the band of the wig, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put my headband on. First, I'm gonna go with the multicolor one, and this is for no special reason. I only have two of them, so I'm just gonna go with this one first and see how I like it. This headband definitely looks good with what I'm wearing, but I just thought I'll go ahead and do my makeup and change my outfit just to see how much more I like it. And here we are, guys, all done up, hair done, nails done, everything did, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really loving this hair. I love the vibe it's giving me right now. I haven't wear like black straight hair in a while, so I'm absolutely here for this hair right now. So like I said earlier, this is my first time working with this company, and so I didn't really know what to expect because, you know, that's how it is when I'm working with a new company. But I am actually really surprised at how good this hair feels. And I have absolutely no shredding. Do you hear me? No shredding coming from this hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a little glance of the back because I know you guys are hoping to see it. So like I said, the hair is 26 inches, so it's right there on my waist. So just in case you guys are wondering, I did not add any product to this hair. I did not straighten it. I did not blow it out. I did not do anything to it besides putting it on my head. I did not brush it, nothing. So I think this hair deserves a round of applause because the same way it came in the bag is how I put it on my head and it's looking flawless. I went ahead and tried the mustard color headband because I mean I only have two, so why not? And I really like this one so much. Maybe it's because of the color of my eyeshadow or the color of my shirt, but for some reason I'm really feeling this one. I just cannot stop running my fingers through the hair just because of how soft and nice it is. This wig is definitely worth a try. If you like straight hair like myself, I would say go for this one. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any question, leave it down in the comment box below. I'll check them out and reply to you as soon as I possibly can. If this is your first time on my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!